then I asked her, "Do you really find John Oliver sexy?" Hey everybody, testing out a new mic this week. Here we go with our mulberries. And the apple tree seems to be recovering just a little bit. I haven't treated it at all or anything like that. I'm just making sure it gets the water it needs. As you can see, we're a little windy today. Lime's still there. It has not fallen off. And our assortment of lemons. Looks like it's time for some more fertilizer. We're getting yellow leaves here. Black sapote, looking nice. Still got whatever these little pods are. I don't know if they're tomatillos or not. We'll see. There is the moringa. I actually take moringa as a supplement, so the plan here is to be able to grow my own. And these are rosemary. See how we're doing. Chocolate mint looks to be growing. Here is Firecracker Marigold, Cracker Jack. Either Cracker Jack or Firecracker, I forgot which. Regular marigolds down at the bottom here. Here's our walking onion. And corn stalks are getting pretty tall. Might need to feed these. I'm noticing a little yellowing there. And let's check out the carrot box here. Oscinators have blooms on them. Here's our Chinese pink celery. French green celery. And as you can see, our black cherry tomatoes are starting to ripen. Be able to try those real soon. See if I like them. It'll be the second time I've grown them, so I guess this is the time I choose whether I keep them or not. Turmeric's looking a little weedy again. Horseradish doesn't look like anything wants to grow with the horseradish. Not that I'm complaining. And our sweet potatoes have taken root over here. Don't know that the kale's gonna make it. Not that I'm surprised about that. Kind of hot for that, so we'll see. And We cannot get rid of these darn zombies. Like I need to get some water in here. So you'll see all of these flower petals on the ground. That is from the crepe myrtle, which is in full bloom now. It has purple and pink flowers. Varies year to year depending on how much water it's gotten. This year it's a little purple, a little pink, a little bit in between. And if you look right here, we called it last week. We have a Kajari melon finally growing. Oh, now we've just got to wait for this plant to produce one as well. Hopefully we'll get more than a couple. I'm going to go ahead and collect seeds from this because I haven't collected seeds since 2021 from them. About time to get a few extras. And over here at the Tigger melons, we have some pole beans growing in here. Looks like we're kind of short on the fingerlings as far as how much time we've got left with them. They're starting to turn yellow. Probably in the next week we'll be harvesting these. And Cherokee Tan starting to cascade off the side of the pot, and hopefully it'll start making ground roots soon. You can see it's touching right there. And over here we've got our tomato bed. We're finally starting to harvest full-size tomatoes along with the cherries. The Green Giant, I pulled a few of them this week. There are a few more. And looking over at the canary melons, they are not ready yet. They will be shortly though. And if you look here, we have our watermelon. Somebody may have moved that. Got our bean plants. There's our elderberry. Gonna have to go ahead and probably cut this comfrey back. Probably chop and drop. Just use it as a fertilizer over here. And if this bee will leave me alone, wanted to show you this is our volunteer pepper plant. And you look right here, that little pepper's growing on it. These are our cannas. Probably chop and drop this soon too. A very good bioaccumulator. It grows a lot of stuff that we can use for compost. And yes, the beans are starting to dry out finally. We'll get those picked soon for seed. The new comfrey is coming in. Some activity on the peppercorn. I'm not sure what's going on there. Here we've got our survivors. The cinnamon basil. Catnip seems to be surviving here. Mammoth basil popping up, along with the cinnamon basil. And if you look here, got more black strawberries. And looking up along here, Sweet 100s are looking really nice. Still haven't bushed out though. I'd like to see them probably expand a little more. And moving over to our table here. Not a lot of activity over here. I do need to water some more. Like our paprika is doing pretty well, along with the black Hungarians and the Jimmy Nardellas. Still got some sweet potatoes to figure out here. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.